Let's make a Blackberry Daiquiri, number 4. Hi, I'm Jared. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we're going to make a Blackberry Daiquiri, and I refer to this one as Blackberry Daiquiri number 4. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. Either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. In my mind, for a daiquiri to be a daiquiri, it has to have 3 things. It has to have lime juice, it has to have rum, and it has to have sugar. In order to make a flavored daiquiri, then, you have to change the flavor of one of those 3 things. Either you have to add a second juice, another juice in order to give you a different juicy flavor, change the flavor of the rum, or change the flavor of the sugar. And almost always I make my daiquiris, in the way that I call daiquiri number 1, which is by changing the sugar using a flavored syrup. A daiquiri number 4 then is when I use 2 of those ways of flavoring the daiquiri in combination. In particular, I'm going to change the flavor of the sugar, and I'm going to add some actual blackberries to give it some fresh blackberry flavor. At some point, I really should codify what I'm doing here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, but right now 1 and 4 are the most important ones, at least for me. A note on the rum. If you're going to make a daiquiri, a white rum is very appropriate, especially if you can get one from Cuba. I'm going to be using Trader Joe's Rum of the Gods. I don't know that it's from Cuba, but it works very well in this drink. If you want to make a nicer daiquiri, feel free to use a nicer rum. And if you find something that works really well in this cocktail, let me know what it is in the comments down below. To make this drink, we're going to start by adding my lime juice into the shaker. I'm going to put 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22.5 milliliters. Then my blackberry syrup, and I do make my own blackberry syrup. The recipe will be linked down below if you want to check it out. Also, will be in the video if you want to follow that link there. 1 ounce, which is 30 milliliters. Next, 2 to 3 blackberries. Washed, of course, fresh, of course. I'm going to drop those into the shaker. Now I'm going to grab my muddler. Now that I have my muddler, I'm going to muddle those ingredients together. And in the case of blackberries, you kind of want to squish them. So, I'll see you in a moment. Now that my blackberries are muddled, I'm going to set my muddler aside. I'm going to get my rum. My muddler is going to roll closer to me because it likes being near me. 2 ounces of rum, 60 milliliters. Set both of those aside, or in front of me. Add some ice, and give it a shake. Now, because of the muddled fruit in there, I am going to double strain. Someday I'll get good at this tapping thing. Set this aside. And garnish. Traditional garnish for a daiquiri is going to be a lime wheel, which is what I'm using today. Because it's a blackberry daiquiri, you can certainly use some blackberries if you'd like. But I think this is enough for now. And there you have it, a Blackberry Daiquiri number 4. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite flavor of daiquiri, and how do you flavor it? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have a t-shirt. Contact me through the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.